The reason that the nuclear lobby still exists has its reason that all the big institutions which were installed for nuclear still exist. The International Atomic Energy Agency, Euratom, the big National Nuclear Research Institute, they all exist. They were constructed, established in the 50s, 60s, and they got a lot of money. Many people worked there, and even when nuclear went out of the energy discussions in the last 20 years, more and more, the institutions remained. That means there is and for renewable energies, no such an institution exists. There is no International Renewable Energy Agency. And therefore this institutional advantage the nuclear lobbyists have, this is now on the table for campaigning for a nuclear renaissance. That is the reason. But the campaigning is based on the big energy lie that renewables are not enough. Exactly that. And therefore, let's say Tony Blair is a victim of this lie, or he is a lie itself. There is no third option. Okay.